How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Crafting Cars. Now, as promised, today's video is going to be all about our 1984 Honda Interceptor motorcycle, and I'm very stoked for this video today. You guys watched me rebuild it, and now you're going to watch me drive it. My girlfriend might come along too, and all the filming in today's video was made possible by the new camera I just picked up, an Insta360. I'm very stoked to use this 360 camera. It's kind of like a GoPro, only it captures everything around it. One of these bad boys. This is the Insta360 X3. I got it mounted on a chest mount we're going to be using today. And yeah, I'm very excited to use that. I also got some other gear here for riding. We got our Honda gloves, match the bike of course. Got a pretty flashy 80s Honda leather riding jacket right here. That'll be cool. Flashy on a bike is a good thing. It keeps us safe. And then I'm also going to show you some of the new flashy parts. I guess I could show you guys right now. So you guys know Charlie Moore. He does the powder coating for me. He did like the ceramic coating on my exhaust manifold for this car. He's done a lot of projects. He's done the subframe for Gideon's RX-7. He made that crash bar for the car and powder coated it. So yeah, he's done a lot of good work for us, and he didn't stop here. So I took some parts off the bike, sent it over to him, and they look fantastic. I reinstalled them, and check this out. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So we got a brand new transmission case cover, these peg brackets. They look fantastic. And same thing on this side. Got the alternator cover here, drive sprocket cover, peg brackets over here. And then I went ahead and did a wet layup of carbon fiber on the plastic chain cover here. So that's kind of a nice touch on the bike as well. I haven't had the time to sand it and polish it yet, but just the wet layup alone looks pretty dang good on the bike. So yeah, shout out to Charlie. When we go on our ride today, I'll try to park the bike in some scenic locations. We'll take some better photos. And then as far as mounts for our camera today, using the Insta360, I've got a pole mount right here. This is gonna give us like a nice third-person view when we're riding, so that's gonna be really cool. And then for first person, we'll have the chest mount, and then as like, kind of like a head-on shot, I'll be mounting the camera right here. So yeah, we got a lot of good stuff going on. Don't worry, our next video will be about the Civic as well. Got a little bit more work to do. I'm gonna be showing you guys basically the whole bodywork process, and yeah, get that all sanded down and ready to spray, because that is coming up. So yeah, I'm gonna get all my gear on. Oh, you can also see I got my Simpson motorcycle helmet here. It's actually my dad's old helmet, and I've got it mic'd up. Got a lav mic plugged in there with a dead cat, and I did a little testing, and with the bike going pretty slow and there's not too much wind noise, like under 30 miles per hour, it works pretty good. But I still got to find a better solution for motovlogging if I want to film when I'm going like 80 miles per hour and still talk to you guys, or anything higher than that. But yeah, that was a lot. All right, let's get on the bike. I'm back up first. Yep. So here we are, our first motovlog. Pretty exciting. I'd also like to thank you guys. We just hit 5,000 subscribers. I checked this morning, so that was really cool to see. We'll pull in here, I'll change the camera angle for you guys. Alright.
Guys, this has been an awesome bike vlog.
Oh my god.
It might have been a little boring, but you know, I just want to show you guys the bike again. Show you my new setup for filming here. Try out the new camera. See if you guys like it.
That's not what I sound like.
Are you sure?
What bike vlogging? Oh, scary on the gravel, huh? So for today's motovlog, that's right, this is our first motovlog. So for today's motovlog, I figured I'd putz around the local park here. I've never been back on these trails that lead to the campsites, but it's pretty nice. It's also a beautiful day for a bike ride. All week it's been like 90 and humid with this heat wave we got, but this weekend it cooled off real nice. It's been like 70, low humidity, slight breeze. Perfect day for a bike ride and a perfect day for a motovlog. We're just taking it easy today. Don't want to go too crazy. I got a passenger on the back, so it's like if I fall off the bike, oh, we'll get some bumps and some scratches or whatever. But if she falls off the bike, well, I'll probably never hear the end of it. So I'm happy to announce that the bike's been running real good since reassembly. Did have a couple leaks I had to take care of. Water pump was leaking pretty bad, so I swapped that out with the old motor, fixed that issue. And then since the bike sat for a while, the carbs got a little gummed up again. So I think it was the float valves again, because I was trying to start it up, bike wouldn't run, it's puking gas all over the place. Tapped on the carbs a little bit, sloshed it around, and boom, bike ran fine with no leaks. So this winter, definitely going to be doing some more restoration to the bike. Yeah, I'll probably get a brand new gas tank for this thing because it's really rusty. And then I'll probably pull the carbs off again, and then we'll go ahead, clean up the carbs, maybe rejet the carbs, maybe squeeze a little bit more power out of this bike. But yeah, since I got it back together, it's been running great. Alright, so now we go to the left here.
Yes, you take a left to leave. I don't want to do the loop.
We're going to do the loop one more time.
Oh. That'd be the fourth time.
Kind of exciting. My parents, they both got bikes too, so maybe one day I'll do a bike vlog with my parents. Dad's got a Yamaha. I think this is a 600cc Yamaha. It's a little bit newer, 2007, I think. And my mom's got a 2023 Yamaha scooter that's a 300cc and an automatic, so it's cool to see them riding too. Alright, 10 points. See that guy, he didn't wave to me because he's not on a motorcycle, but everybody else gets a 2-finger. That sounds kind of weird when I say everybody else gets 2 fingers. Yeah, someone on the back, they got a wave too. Okay. I'm trying to think if there's... Hey, that's what I'm talking about. All right, Lauren, wave to him. Swag. That's cool. That's what I'm talking about. I usually like to take pictures here, but there's like 4 or 5 cars. All right, for our last shot here, I got the stick all the way extended with the camera on there. Got our microphone cable kind of snaked around the stick. And then I have our wind filter on the mic pointed straight down at the exhaust. So we'll see if we can get some good exhaust clips here. Otherwise, like I said, I'm gonna have to find a different solution for that. Thanks again for tuning in. You don't have to say it. Thanks again for tuning in to Crafting Cars. Why?